Hello students, good morning. In today's session, we will see Maths, Unit 2, Numbers. In this unit, we will see comparison of numbers. What is this comparison of numbers? By comparing, we can find how much a number is greater or smaller. So, we use symbols like greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equal to symbol to compare any two numbers. For example, here 20,344 is given and 3,241 is given. Here 20,344, it is a 5-digit number, and 3,241 is a 4-digit number. So the number with more number of digits is a larger number, and the number with less number of digits is a smaller number. So we compare these two numbers by giving symbols. So 20,344 is greater than 3,241. So to compare the larger number and the smaller number, we use symbols. Sometimes if both the numbers have same number of digits, then how will you find which is greater? Here two numbers are given. One is 73,652 and the other is 56,372. Here both the numbers have 5 digits. So to find which number is greater, we use place values to find the greater number. Here I have drawn the place value table and placed the digits. As we have learnt the place value, we should place the digits from the right to the left. So for the first number, I have placed 2 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place. And for the second number, I have placed 2 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place. Now let's compare both the numbers. To compare the numbers, we should start from left to right. We should start from left to right. So the first digit in both the numbers are 7 and 5. 7 is the first digit in the first number and 5 is the first digit in the second number. In the first number, 7 is placed in 10,000s column, and in the second number, 5 is placed in 10,000s column. Hence, 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, 73,652 is greater than 56,372. Once again, I'll say 73,652 is greater than 56,372. So, by using place value, we can find the greater numbers. Now, we will see how to find smaller number. Here, two numbers are given. One is 54,349. The second number is 53,449. Both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. To find which is smaller number, we should give place values for both the numbers. Here I have drawn the place value table and placed the digits. So for the first number, I have placed 9 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place. And also for the second number, I have placed 9 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place, 5 in 10,000s place. let's compare both the numbers. Here, the first digit for the first number and the first digit for the second number is 5. Listen carefully. The first digit for the first number and the first digit for the second number is 5. It is placed in 10,000s column. Both the numbers of the first digit are placed in 10,000s column. It is equal. Now listen carefully. If the digits in the 10,000 place are equal, then the next digit in the thousands place should be compared. I repeat it again. The digits in the 10,000s place are equal, then the next digit in thousands place should be compared. Okay, so in thousands place, for the first number we have 4, and for the second number in thousands place we have 3. So the second number, that is in thousands place we have 3. So 3 is smaller than 4. Hence 53,449 is smaller than 54,349. I repeat it again. 53,449 is smaller than 54,349. So by using place value, we can also find the smaller number. Now we will learn about the ascending and descending order. First, I'll explain you about the ascending order. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is the ascending order. I repeat it. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is the ascending order. Here is an example for you. The numbers given here are 413, 38,490, 43, 986, 8,490. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So, to arrange the numbers in ascending order, at first we must count the number of digits in each number. So, let's count the number of digits. The number 413 has 3 digits. The next number 38,490 has 5 digits. 43 has 2 digits. 986 has 3 digits. 8,490 has 4 digits. Here, the number which has least number of digits is the smallest number. So, at first we will write 43 because 43 is the smallest among these numbers and it has only 2 digits. The next number greater than 43 is 413. It is a 3-digit number. We also have one more 3-digit number, 986. Now look at both the numbers 413 and 986. The first number of 413 is 4 and the first number of 986 is 9. Therefore, 4 is smaller than 9. So, after 43, we will write 413. The next number greater than 413 is 986. Then after 986, the greater number is 8,490. And at last, we have also a 5-digit number 38,490. This number is the greatest among all the numbers. So, we have arranged the given numbers in ascending order like this. 43, 413, 986, 8,490, 38,490. In this way, you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now, I'll explain you about the descending order. Arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is the descending order. I repeat it again. Arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is the descending order. Here is an example for you. The numbers given here are 195, 4090, 81,343, 95, 9,040. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So, we have to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Here, the greatest number is 81,343 because it is a 5-digit number. So, at first we will write this number. The next number smaller to 81,343 is 9,040. It is a 4-digit number. We have one more 4-digit number, 4,090. Now look at both the numbers, 9,040 and 4,090. Now let's compare the first digit for both the numbers. For 9,040, the first digit is 9, and for 4,090, the first digit is 4. Here, 9 is greater than 4. So the next number after 81,343 is 9,040. After 9,040, we will write 4,090. The next smaller number after 4,090 is 195. Then at last we will write 95, and this 95 is the smallest among these numbers. So, we have arranged the given numbers in the descending order like this: 81,343, 9,040, 4,090, 195 and 95. Students, hope that you are thorough with comparison of numbers as well as ascending and descending order. Have a good day. Thank you.